Samsung Austin Semiconductor started the College Orientation Recruitment Program, or CORP, in 1997, 1 year after the business was established in Austin. CORP is geared towards college seniors who are graduating with an engineering or STEM-related degree.
I came in as a brand new engineer out of school in the CORP 97 class. The intent is to bring in new college hires and have them rotate through various job responsibilities in the company to do two things: to give them an opportunity to see what's available, and to give hiring managers an opportunity to see various different people to see who's going to be a good fit.
From mechanical to chemical to physics and double E's, if you like solving problems and tackling complex issues, CORP wants you. CORP engineers get the opportunity to learn about semiconductor manufacturing from the ground level to the clean room. The program also provides insight into how Samsung Austin Semiconductor operates and our processes.
They come in with people with common experience, oftentimes similar school. It's immediately someone they can talk to and understand what's going on. And so I think that's really valuable.
From classroom to CORP, we give new graduates a professional network and help ease the transition from student to professional. Get started today by visiting our website and grow a career at the heart of innovation.